Rob here via an XPH, and today we'll be unboxing the Kaptan Gaming Mouse from Rakk Gears. Let's check this out. The Kaptan mouse has been out for a long time now, and I don't think it's going to be throwing in the towel anytime soon. In the box you get the user manual, a goodies bag with side grips, which are good if you have sweaty hands like me, mouse feet replacements, and different colored DPI buttons. Moving on to the mouse, the USB plug is gold plated. The cable is nicely wrapped in a Rakk Velcro strap. I also noticed that the cable is flexible and softer than usual mice of this price range out in the market. Removing the cover, we're greeted by the forward and back button on the side. And at the top you have the scroll wheel, the DPI button, and the left and right clickers. Under the mouse you get the mouse feet, the polling rate switch, and the Pixart 3389 sensor. By the way, these are rocking Huano switches, so they feel nice, stiff, and sound soft. Now the lighting modes. Steady, breathe, neon, and tail. All in all, it's a great mouse for people who, like me, have small hands, doesn't want to be dragging something too big or too small. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Peace.